welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 004. Vlog 4 of 45 vlog series, and today we are going to be making a breadcrumb with t-shirt yarn. So when we go to the items which we would be needing to make this, it will be cable yarn. I have only this much now because it's a hairband. I said it right, a hairband, so it won't need much, and like a safety pin to like keep it in one place. So let's start it. So I'm going to be braid using not 3 but 4. So I have 2 long pieces of table yarn. I have bent it in 2, that's why this length is coming. So I'm gonna join these together and like what do you call, put like this. You all can understand how to do it like that, right? And take it to the midpoint, and now leave like a small circle over here, because at the end we have to keep space, because we are going to be join using that. So that's why we are going to be using the pin to keep it fixed in the safe place. As there are 4 layers, it's kind of tight. Okay, it's pinned now. There's the hole over here, and now I'm gonna start braiding. So there are 4 pieces, as you can see. I'll show you from your side. Separate it into 2 for this side, 2 for this side. Then put this one to this side from over. Then this side corner one to this side. Then this corner one to this side. This corner one to this side. As same as you braid the hair. Just this is much more easier because it's like t-shirt yarn, so it don't get tangled like hair, I could say. Can you see? See, it looks pretty neat. We can continue doing it, and I'll do it till the end and show her how to like end it next. It seems like I'm done with braiding it, but I have no clue how to join the end. So I thought of putting a knot over here. We are just gonna take 2 to one side, 2 to one side, and tie a knot over here. And remove this pin, and when we are wearing the band, all we have to do is and this, then it gets tightened. Wait, I'll show. Don't leave a big hole, make it small. Like this size would be enough. Let me wear it now and see. I'll wear it and show. And as you can see, the band is done now. I'll remove and show it again. So this is what it's gonna look like. So when we are done braiding, and after I said to put a knot over here, this is how it's gonna look. In this end like this, in this end there's a hole. What we are gonna do is put this through this, like pull it out from this side till that knot comes out too, and you can cut off the yarn over here, or you can wrap it around. So as that part of the band is quite thicker than the rest, it will be easier for you to find the front and back of the band as well. Like, you can easily notice that this is the back of the headband, the thicker part, so the other part will be the front part. You can just, you can wear it like this as well. No, that looks weird. Anyhow, you can wear it in whatever the way you want. It's a braided headband, and it's super easy. Can be made within like 5 minutes. Not, it doesn't even take 5 minutes. Anyhow, all you gotta do is braid until it covers around your head. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you all ever try it out, if you all are posting pics in Instagram, don't forget to tag me, and like this video. And if you all have any issues, don't drop it down in the comments, or drop me a message to Instagram, to my personal Instagram account or my design page. Also, don't forget to follow my personal Instagram account, craft page, and my design page. All the accounts are in Instagram, and I'll be adding links to all the accounts down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel too if you all haven't subscribed yet. And hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, stay safe and take care.